Human rights defenders have moved to court to sue the government over the Hillside Endarasha Academy fire, which claimed the lives of 21 learners. A petition filed by the Kenya Human Rights Commission, the Elimu Bora Working Group, and a section of the parents listed the Attorney General, Cabinet Secretary Migos Ogamba, and Hillside Endarasha Academy proprietor David Kinyua among 8 respondents to the case. In the petition, the group is demanding justice and compensation. Kamau Mwangi has the details.
After failing to get answers from the government on what led to a night inferno at the boys' dormitory of the Hillside Endarasha Academy, 21 families who lost their boys have moved to court in search of answers and compensation. In 2 petitions filed by the Kenya Human Rights Commission, the Elimu Bora Working Group, and a section of the parents, the group is seeking the court's intervention in compelling the government to charge its officers who failed to ensure the safety of the boys.
We are convinced that there was negligence and that justice needs to be served. We are convinced that someone should be held accountable because someone slept on their job.
Our schools should be safe learning spaces. That it should not be that we take our children to school only for the schools to end up to be death traps, so to speak, and result in the loss of their lives.
David Kinyua, the proprietor of the school, the Nyeri County Education Director, the National Education Board, the Attorney General and Education Cabinet Secretary Migos Ogamba are among 8 respondents in the constitutional petition.
It is a pity that we can assume that after such an act happened, then everything just goes on normal, like nobody cares. We put it at the doorstep of the government that they have a right, they have a responsibility to protect the rights.
It's never been clear what happened after they sent their sons to school. No one has come to them with answers. We've heard about investigations being done. Even the DNA tests that were conducted, the results were not even brought to them.
The petitioners are, however, not opposed to the move by the Director of Public Prosecutions to initiate a public inquest into the tragedy if it means getting answers that the bereaved parents so desperately seek. Kamau Mwangi, Citizen TV, at the Nyeri Law Courts.